In the case of M. Govinda Rao v. G. Amarnath, 2022. The primary issue was whether a partnership is automatically dissolved just by ceasing business operations, whether a partner can unilaterally demand settlement of accounts without formal dissolution. The Indian Partnership Act, 1932, clearly mandates that dissolution requires a formal legal process, including winding up of affairs and settlement of accounts, rather than being triggered by the simple cessation of operations. The issue, therefore, was whether the stoppage of business by the partners could be equated with formal dissolution, thus entitling one partner to immediate asset distribution. The rule, as set out in sections 39, 44, and 48 of the Act, indicates that dissolution is a process that involves not only the cessation of business but also the proper winding up and final settlement among partners. This ensures that all liabilities and rights are fairly addressed. In applying this rule, the court examined the circumstances under which business operations had halted between Govinda Rao and G. Amarnath. Although the firm had effectively stopped operating due to internal disputes, there was no formal declaration or procedural step taken to dissolve the partnership. Govinda Rao argued that the lack of ongoing operations amounted to dissolution, and therefore he was entitled to his share of the assets. However, Amarnath countered that without following the legally prescribed procedures, the partnership remained intact, and no distribution of assets could legally occur. The court analyzed the evidence and concluded that the mere cessation of business did not fulfill the statutory criteria for dissolution. Instead, a formal judicial process was required to wind up the firm's affairs, settle accounts, and distribute assets. This approach protects the rights of all partners and ensures that dissolution is conducted in an orderly and equitable manner. The court's reasoning stressed that unilateral declarations of dissolution, without the completion of due process, are insufficient under the law. Thus, the court ruled that the partnership was not automatically dissolved by the cessation of operations, denying Govinda Rao's demand for immediate settlement. This decision underscores the importance of adhering to formal dissolution procedures to avoid disputes and ensure fairness among partners.